Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure both Echo and Dot are powered and visible in the Alexa app. This reduces discovery errors. Once you've opened the app and connected your phone to the same Wi-Fi network, tap Devices, then the plus icon to add a device or discover available speakers. This initiates local discovery and prepares devices for linking. Make sure Bluetooth is off on other nearby gadgets so Alexa focuses on your Echo and Dot, preventing false pair attempts. Next, you'll link the units inside the Alexa app so they act together. Go to Devices, pick Echo and Alexa, select one device and open Settings, then choose Multi-Room Music or Stereo Pair depending on your goal. Follow prompts to add the second device into the group and assign a clear room name. Doing this ensures synchronized playback and consistent voice routing. Once devices are grouped, test with a music command to confirm simultaneous audio and correct left/right orientation if stereo pairing. To finish, verify synchronization by asking Alexa to play music or an alarm. Adjust individual volumes so balance is right. If you notice lag or dropouts, make sure both devices show up as online and install any available firmware updates in the Alexa app. Updates often fix timing and network bugs. Once done, reboot both units and recreate the group if issues persist. This clears cached settings. Remember the key troubleshooting tip. A reboot plus firmware update resolves most sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.